All right, we're going to start this video by having you press pause and do what it says here. For each 1, 2, 3, and 4, describe with words what numbers are shaded. Go ahead and hit pause and then use words to describe those things. All right, so at this point you should have things written down for all 4 of these. We're going to go ahead and zoom in and go over each one of them. All right, what things are shaded here on number 1? Well, it's just 3 numbers, right? 2, 3, and 4 are shaded. Right? Those shaded, points, or those closed bullets, mean that we just have each of those single numbers shaded in. Let's look at number 2. On number 2, we have 2, 3, and 4, but we also have all of this shading in between. So here are numbers like 2.1 or 2.34 or 3.56921841992. Every single value between 2 and 4 is shaded in. So here we would say that the values from all of the values from 2 to 4 are shaded. So take just a moment to think about the difference between number 1 and number 2 here. On number 1, we had just 2, 3, and 4, just those individual numbers shaded in. On number 2, we still have 2, 3, and 4, but we also have all those weird decimal and fraction numbers in between 2 and 3 and in between 3 and 4. Let's take a peek at this one. Well, this is an interesting one, right? So it almost looks like we have the values from 2 to 4, except for we don't have 2. So on number 2, this was including 2 and 4. But on number 3, it's all of the values that are bigger or larger or greater than 2 and less than 4. Also, we have 4 shaded. Now, you might have said this differently because I just said this in a really awkward way. In fact, I hate the way I just wrote this down. But what you want to make sure you have in your description of these things is recognizing that, yes, it's all these values from 2 to 3, or from 2 to 4. It's also 4, but it's not 2. This open bullet means 2 is not shaded in. All right. On number 4, what do we have shaded in? Is the 6 shaded in? No, it's not. The open bullet means it's not shaded in. Neither is the stuff over here to the left of 6 or the stuff to the right of 6. It looks like all of the numbers that are 4 and less are shaded. So all of the values equal to 4 and less than 4. But here's the other important bit. What does this mean? What does that open bullet mean? Is -3 part of the shaded region? It's not. So it's all the values equal to 4 and less than 4 except -3. So -3 is not shaded in. And that's kind of a weird thing to think about. But what we're trying to understand with these notes is how the number line can be used to describe a certain set of numbers. So here we're looking at all the things that are less than 4, but this open bullet means that -3 is not shaded in.